Katie, is this your tray? Sorry.
No, it's not my tray. Do it again, Dad.
Someone put it on the burner.
Come on. Come on. Do it.
Come on, Sage. Do it again, Dad.